how to add background video behind your header on your Wix. So right here at your Wix editor, first you want to click on your header and then you want to click again until you find this change header design. You want to click on change header design, and on the fill color and opacity, you want to click on it. You want to make sure the background is on 0%. So your header right now is a transparent one. And after that, you want to click on add section right here. And then you want to click on add elements at the top left of your screen right here. And then you want to click on strip. And then on the strip, you want to click on the strip that have this video icon right here. And then after that, if you want to change the video background, you can just click on the strip and choose this one, change background. You can click on video. And then here you can just choose any video that Wix have prepared for you, or you can upload your own media, your own video right here if you click on it. So for example, I want to choose on this one and click on change background, and you want to make sure that your video background right here is on the same size as your header. You can customize it by clicking on the strip and then choose this one and drag it as you like. And as a heads up, you can also make the video background is not the same size as your header, but it's just my preference right here. And after you've done with your customizing, you want to click on the header right here. And then you want to choose these tools at the top right of your screen. And then you want to make sure on the toolbar you are check mark it. You want to go back and then click again on the header, and on the arrange right here, you want to click on it. And then you want to make sure to make it to the front, very front, by clicking on this bring to front button. And after that, you want to click on the background video. And then you want to merge it with your header by click on it and then drag it to the top. And then until this attached to header was there, you want to release it. And right now your video is part of the header and you can customize it like here again. And then after that, you want to do a right click on your background video right here after it was merged with header. And then on overlapping items, you want to go to click on see all layers. And then on the strip right here, you want to drag it all the way to the top. And just like that, now your background video is a part of the header. If you click on the preview right here, there will be a video in your header. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.